Gonna want to do that steak. We'll put it on before the chicken. This shit's gonna get done way. Get a nice little section here to sizzle. Wait 3-4 minutes, flip it. Once you flipped it, it's cooked a little on both sides. Come back with the chicken. Alright, now flip this motherfucker and let it cook for a couple minutes on the other side. Let's get these bastard chicken breasts on there. You can still hear that sizzle. I don't know if you can hear it above the rain. As you can see, I'm grilling in adverse weather conditions, but that shit doesn't really matter other than when you're getting it started. And it's not too windy, so it ain't an issue. So now that all your meat's on, you do the key step in grilling. You just wait a while.